Who's that over there, eh? Is that a nasty, unsightly hole? Is it a horrible line of mildew in a window? This is the little fella, this is the gun that solves the problem. I did do a post earlier that explained how to fill a crack using cork without the use of a cork gun. Only had 15,000 hits on YouTube. So what I'm doing now is showing you how to use a cork gun properly. So you see that bit there, apparatus to solve decorators' problems, and I'm starting off with the cork gun. So first of all, we'll show you how to extract this. Alright, move that like that. There's a lever there, you see? See the little lever? That pumps the action like that. And all we've got to do now is go over and use it. There, so anyway, let's have a look. Just going to show you how to do a horizontal sweep by using a cork gun. Horizontal sweep is like so. Yes, I'll do a vertical sweep. Just had a bit of news in from the producer. He wanted me to do a vertical sweep. So here it goes. Look. Action! 22 coats, top tip number 175. How to use decorator's cork without buying new windows. Get your finger like that and you go down like that. Look at that. Look at that. Honestly, it's like new, isn't it? That window, after I've done that, is like new.